A lift from Earth to the Moon, also known as a lunar space elevator or a spaceline, is a hypothetical transportation system that would connect the surface of the Moon to a docking port in orbit around the Earth. Such a system could drastically reduce the cost and improve the reliability of space travel, as it would eliminate the need for rockets to launch from Earth's gravity well. However, building a lift from Earth to the Moon would also pose many engineering and logistical challenges. For one thing, the cable or tether that would support the lift would have to be extremely long, strong, and light, as it would extend from the Moon to a point beyond the Earth-Moon Lagrange points L1 or L2. These are the points where the gravitational forces of the Earth and the Moon balance each other out and where the docking port would be located. The cable would also have to withstand the effects of orbital perturbations, tidal forces, space debris, radiation, and temperature variations. Another challenge would be to ensure the safety and efficiency of the vehicles that would climb up and down the cable, carrying people and materials between the Earth and the Moon. These vehicles would have to be powered by solar energy or other renewable sources and would have to avoid collisions with other vehicles or objects in orbit. They would also have to deal with the varying gravity and speed along the cable, as well as the possible damage or malfunction of the cable itself. Therefore, while a lift from Earth to the Moon is theoretically possible, it is not currently feasible with the existing technology and resources. However, some scientists and engineers have proposed various designs and concepts for such a system and have estimated that it could be built for a fraction of the cost of conventional space exploration. Perhaps in the future we will see a lift from Earth to the Moon become a reality.